warrior. You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for him. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Beautiful one, oh, mighty warrior. You are the God of all flesh, nothing too hard for you. Mere words can't describe the God you are. Call him big God, oh, bigger, bigger than my troubles, bigger, bigger than the cancer, bigger, 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 bigger. Big God, oh, hey, mere words. Listen, listen. If the problem is big, oh, bigger is the solver. If the sickness is strong, oh, stronger is the healer. Adwuma, I walk to a woman, undisputed champion, never lost a battle. Mere words, you are a big God, oh, bigger, bigger than my trouble. Big God, too big, so that big cannot describe you. Come on. Big God, oh, mere words, mere words. Say mere words.
Have a blessed day.
Yeah, Jesus, I can't one ever more. I don't forget to me say no. Victory is mine. And why is it demo? Yeah, I can know ever more. Yeah, Jesus, I can't one ever more. I don't forget to me say no. Victory is mine. And why is it demo? Everybody, come on. Yeah, Jesus, I can't know. Jesus, I can't know and I don't forget to me say no. Victory is mine. Oh, yeah, I can know. Yeah, Jesus, I can't know. Jesus, I can't know and I don't forget to me say no. Victory is mine.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your girl Scalina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Oh Wasindiano so made in Kunimna Jesus Christ Wabewa Jimewa Wasindiano so it's made in Kunimna Jesus Christ
Have a blessed day.
made in Kunimna oh Jesus Christ yeah Wasindiano so take it up
Have a blessed day.
Adwuma.
everybody come on
The mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
yeah Jesus I can't know a time for Biara victory is mine oh now I can know yeah Jesus I can't know a time for Biara victory is mine oh
Mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
it couldn't be more a time for Biara victory is mine yeah oh it couldn't be more
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
a time for Biara victory is mine hey listen I am victorious victory is my name I am victorious victory is my name Nyawaka and one forevermore I am victorious victory is my name and everybody say
The mid morning show.
I am victorious
Have a blessed day.
Nyawaka and one
I am victorious. Victory is my name.
Yes, we think for the more. I don't forget victory is mine.
Victory is mine. And what yes to team.
Mid morning show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma.
Victory is mine. And what yes to team. And of course, victory is mine. And victory has always been mine. Beautiful song from Carcord there. 26 minutes into the hour 10. Folks, you tune into the best mid-morning here on Ahinkan 93.3 FM. And yes, of course, my name has always been a Jenny Champion Boatin Cosmos. Call me Jibuz Money. Call me Abranti Pa, the perfect gentleman. Call me Kwabena Costy. So I want to say a very big thank you to the production team led by DJ Shabu. Of course, you are the Adwuma, Mr. Charles, and out to point here and also talking about right. So we here from now to 12 p.m. folks. Join us as we serve you with good music. But in the meantime, if you do speak English, how are you doing? If you speak Gantete, if you speak F1, if you speak Brekume Poiteme, if you speak Awza Yade, if you speak Frafralawani, if you speak Rushi Kwete, is a MAAKYE, and if you do speak Fanti, my patcha won't today, and then answer your Jwada, and they are brand new Monday, and I'm from Panyanko Poncha Shamae, and of course, it happens to be the last Monday of this month, so the 7th day of the month, September. And we're going gradually 2021 so cool. I wish I be Mobia Kwabena 93.3 FM so obi a ho te sen. Me pa cho obi a ho te sen. Me so asem ho ye. Nyankopon ahwa wo so yie pa. Nyankopon bon ho ban so nkopa. Nyankopon yi de. You fought victories. It's ours. You couldn't be a India. And couldn't be a India. Make catch us baby. I will be an couldn't be a Odia. Jitum said Nyankopon can't find one and one baby.
Jesus a cano. Victory is mine.
Victory is mine. Oh, yes, indeed. Wakano nebebe mo.
Yeah, Jesus a cano.
Yeah, Jesus a cano and one nebebe mo. Atamfo biara to me say no.
Victory is mine.
Victory is mine. Ewo Yesu dimu. You fought an open kunimdia yawodia. Beshi an open in kunimdia yawodia can amen. No, a Monday. So I want you to prophesy upon your life. See, it is even in the Bible. What him say? Say, "Aya never say we shall come go abrabo." So you catch Ezekiel say, "Son of man, prophesy. Onipa ba shall come. Anope tie. Shall come go abrabo mu say, na watwi inkunimdi enko na bedi wachi." Oh, and I want to make a dream. But say, "Shall come for go abrabo mu say, na watwi free Adwuma Costy memenda." And kunimdi enko na bedi make Kwabena boati mechi. And you found sa siwbo, found sa pemo kokoso na ka say, "Me Adwuma mansa."
Everybody say,
Me coffee bang. Me asani for nyina ani. Me Weezy from Adwuma Costy memenda. And kunimdi enko na bedi mechi. Me sister Fia. Me say bawdi na shan kom gu abrabo. Say inkunimdi enko na bedi wachi. Me mo bia chimbie mo bia kwa ba de ba hinkan fam so. Mid morning Adwuma and I was sugu so outie. Where am the party?
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
That's right. Pastor that can see pan come ya boafo. And I'll find come wa utie me samre. But this year we are taxi driver. I will pay good morning. Michelle. My bro motivational message and I'll say Kwabema's birthday. And I Jordan and so you bedan Yankopon sesa. Then I Jordan be a no. You see, I haven't seen Yankopon I assume no. Once over the weekend ye di one upon. You but try be an get quasi a dra. But once Yankopon shine swam my na Monday as a Adwuma. Yankopon ye guy ro. Washayan so a year na ye papa ne de dano nanka yansino nanka nye sika bi enya ho fa bi enya sabi ya connections bi ya wo na emo ma Nyankopon na dom ne na daroma na aso nye so e se na ya ti asia na se moja redi ye mu afusani na tachrama da bodwe mu a Nyankopon na daroma 31 minutes into the hour thing. Just tune into the best mid-morning here on 93.3 of FM. You're from Kwabena Costy. Join me live on Facebook. I am 93.3 of FM and we're transmitting live from the studios of MAAKYE Afrakuma.
yeah, Jesus a cano.
My patch our first message is 0594 841044 0594 841044 and your WhatsApp number after answer your normal text and an SMS 0594 841044 and then met to Japan ko GFE and then met to Japan. I'm not a political guy, not a sports guy, but today I will speak as a citizen of Ghana, not a spectator. Right, 0594 841044 0594 841044 and your WhatsApp number and our Facebook SMS. Send me your messages, your birthday shout. And then go point your mama person with dash it. Oh mama saying there do and send them through this number and I promise to read them live on radio for you. Good morning.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show.
Victory is my name. Can everybody sing? I am victorious. Victory is my name. Now I can and walk.
Victory is my name. Have a blessed day.
Yes, we think we need more. I don't forget around. Victory is mine. Hey, oh, we could need more. Yes, we think we need more. I don't forget. I never hear you. Oh, we could need more. Oh, sing it again. Hey, I don't forget. Victory is mine. Hey, listen, Jesus Christ, what you are dreaming of, what's in the other soul, baby, cool him now. Jesus Christ, what you are dreaming of, what's in the other soul, it's a lady, cool him now. Jesus Christ, lady, cool him now. Oh, Jesus Christ, yeah. What's in the other soul?
Have a blessed day.
Take it up, yes, we did cool him out. I don't forget. Victory is mine. Hey, oh, we could need more. Yes, we did could need more. Oh, I don't forget.
Victory is mine. Ewa Yesu timu.
Declaring like you mean it.
Meshe kama oho. Onim,
I don't forget.
I played this song for a particular reason.
Victory is mine.
I know pay a born way because of BBT.
Let me see your victory, sir. Victory.
See, I want you to declare. One can say declare. I want brabo mu say victory. What they are?
Oh, my wife.
Victory. What are we saying?
Music has some more.
Have a blessed day.
Declaring like you mean it. Hey, oh, I don't forget it. Victory is mine.
Have a blessed day.
Hey, say it now. Oh, my worries some more. Music has some more. Come on. Hey, slap those hands together. Ooh, sing it like you mean it. Oh, sing it like you mean it. For they that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength.
Have a blessed
Sounds
day.
on wings like eagles. Hey,
And I'm fired up this morning. No, say it like you mean it. Victory is mine. It couldn't be out there, right? So let me move on to my motivation. I say this morning. I know my mission on crying now. I am proud Preacher.
put your
93.3 of Adwuma, and I was to go out the 27th day of the month September, and gradually echo. Yes, Christo. What point to say? If you are Jesus Christo, and would say Jesus Christo, and Jesus Christo, your money. If you are Jesus Christo, you just walked in the studio. Tell me what's answering what to say. Alright, Right, so knowledge is deeper than the ocean and wider than the sky. There's always so much to learn, so always keep your mind open to learn new things, and you will find yourself every day becoming wiser than yesterday. Knowledge, and we make us a knowledge. Right, so knowledge is deeper than the ocean and wider than the sky. There's always so much to learn, so always keep your mind open to learn new things, and you will find yourself every day becoming wiser than yesterday. Motivational message. See, may I shop answer, would you too say we are seeing soon the way? May I shop so would you too say I bring you a bribia no for forever so. So if you want to be wiser, you have to keep reading. You have to keep researching. Try your hands on new things. See me. Any book at this young one you can't want somewhere. Or the fear so sabi yes young son of ye. And then your papa no mamma was so much on young son or so much there. On the streets. Obia winning with a bet match say adieu any say. Boama unya fie nyansa. When him say uncle for bi okroma. Wo hu otimi fro cratch bra. Watade ye so eme fe pa. Den so senya wa hye no me pa cho yen hye ne sa. Wa kire wo nyansa ba kono no. Ah sister watade ye eme fe. Ba senya wa yi akire na ma. Asa wo nufu hu gugugu sister nka otwe ko soro kakra nka beboa wo. Wanka sabe un se mami wa kire wo nyansa. So we learn every day. Yeah, we learn every day. Knowledge is deeper than the ocean and wider than the sky. You don't limit yourself to baby I was at the dream. And I say you don't limit yourself to baby I won't official you will. No. Always make your mind open. What dream now for the phobia for new things. So obitual transit to for tie. Faka with the no. Faka or fabi no. Adeba company de bobra there be and pushing at there every day you will realize you are becoming wiser than you used to be. Yenya ni enti say you call crutch you call church child evangelist we ka se nkwale you konkwale manza omo che nyansa you call primary you call JHS and the call SHS, and the call college, and they also call masters. We will play no brain, it's yen swan dear Bako. You're free A and Sunny Yakobi, and the Yakoponia Wadona would drew A, B, C, D, would drew E. Now what Kai say, and yet or Hong Kong now would the AC. You understand? One who say, and yet A, B, C, D, and I would DC. But then, over calling him, I call him. Akwodim kopim say bibia be okay the man right intano pay make catch on so simple. Knowledge is deeper than the ocean and wider than the sky. There is always so much to learn, so always keep your mind open to learn new things, and you will find yourself becoming wiser than yesterday. Right, so this morning, my motivational message I'm doing tea. Knowledge is deeper than the ocean and wider than the sky. There is always so much to learn. So always keep your mind open to learn new things, and you will find yourself every day becoming wiser than yesterday. So, my morning motivation. Right, my you better be phone line on. I'll be there Monday. You better than Uncle Ponce.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so 93.3 FM. Shabo, you ready? Right, so I want us to do this new song. Me say no man me boy nyina me my boy for a reason. This is Akasi Brimpon. A brand new song he calls Victory. Esu yankunimdie. Me pesa na watching on komodie nya yankunimdi. Whatever you do, whatever you say, enyankunimdie. Na sham komu no fegu abrabo mu se na watching die. Say ya no mu pe, say ya no mu mpe. Ubedi nkunim. Ufie for gang leader no. I want to say gang leader, yeah. So si on pe ubedi nkunim. Because Nyankopon wo na da Yesu aka fa ho no. Abebem. So right, let's do this song. Akase Brempon brand new Victory.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. Everybody. Let's go. Everybody. If you know you got a victory, let's go. Come on. 2 fingers in the air. Everybody. I got it. Say. Everybody. Let's go. Simply say, I got the victory in Jesus' name. I got the victory in Jesus' name. I've wrestled with giants and I have prevailed. I got the victory. I got it.
I've got the victory in Jesus' name.
Everybody.
I've got the victory in Jesus' name.
I've wrestled with giants
and I have prevailed.
I got it.
I've got the victory.
Shut up, everybody, come on. Victory.
I've got the victory.
Say, oh. Victory.
I've got the victory.
Let's go. Verse 2 says,
The mid-morning show.
I got the victory in Jesus' name. I got the victory in Jesus' name. I am the head, I am not the tail. I got the victory, I got it. Sir.
I've got the victory in Jesus'
If you believe you got the victory, come on.
I've got the victory in Jesus' name.
I am the head,
I am the head and I am not the tail.
I got it.
I've got the victory.
Shabba-ba-da-ba-da, say. Whoa. Say that.
I've got the victory.
If you believe it, come on. Victory.
I've got the victory.
Say the word, but don't say.
I've got the victory.
Say baba, say baba, say baba, say baba, say baba.
Let's go. I got the victory. Got the victory. I got the victory. Got the victory. You say. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, I got the victory. Got the victory. I got the victory. Got the victory. You say.
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
I got it.
Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy. Hello Ghana, this is your voice Carolina and I'm tuning to Kwabena Costy.
Money, let's go. 2 fingers in the air, everybody. Let's go. Everybody. Victory is in the house tonight. Jesse, let's go. I got the victory. Got the victory. I got the victory. Got the victory. Let me use it.
so 48 minutes into 10.
I got the victory.
Got the victory right here on 93.3 FM. Of course,
Got the
serving a living God.
got it.
The shit yanko pon here, so no my mungu asida. 0554820910. Your phone number will be me a friend. Now what that yanko pon say? 0554820910 0201994485. First caller your froze like as a friend.
Pacho, because we joining contact.
Me patch your froze.
Pacho, from original cake.
Original cake, what want to say?
Naminadum, Pacho, now swear.
Akopando nyamia se hopa. Yenda nyamia se.
Oh, Madame Radias, I'm your boy, I'm to say. Madame Watson, come getting one for him. You pin and Yansa. The local share scaffold, the young brain, Namada Watson, come on. Madame Radias, Nampacho, we am person with some credit to them, to me.
We are, say, I don't offer the same number. Why? Okay. Right, me show me that's a part. Right, 0554820910. 0554820910. 0201944485. 0201944485. Get the Yanko Ponce. What near why am I no pay? Good morning, your first work as a friend. Say what happened to say? I say, Mama Joyce on way. Right. So why not Yamiazi?
The radiasi on our team when she's so funny by and wow, they are drumming. Yeah, I saw me as to be and down Tiasi. With the Makida Baying.
Right, so I go.
A senior or junior, the Juhi. I am the sad to me. I am ever on the so. Now I am saying, Amen.
Amen. So I go point on your case. Hello, good morning. Your first as a friend. Hello, good morning. Hello. What's your tone? 0554820910. 0554820910 0201944485. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I have first as a friend.
But your friend and I was free like you.
And I bought you like because maybe I try to pay my deal.
Yo. And then I say, say, Oma, yes, so 2021, like you come for in a here. The will be a here, the idea here. The Jamia say, the wife when you say, blah, will be. I mean, I'm gone. Nyata mketua e kadi ya mafedi mu pa ba nyankopon aboa me pa ma e ka me fe nya nya me agibo fa ma me ama me tia o ma me bo so mo nyina e ka ati me wife da so tin kwama e gina wo fi di kesi e so nya me ati nya me ati pa
right ye da nyankopon ase so e de ma ono wife nyankopon ko so onyo kese na o ma musem sikaten do so bebre why.
Amen.
Right, 0554820910 0554820910 0201944485. Okay, hello, good morning. Your first workers are free. Priscilla, what happened to say?
Yeah, me Adam.
Right, mommy do. I know pay the nyamiasi.
The young couple say, and never mock a Sunday, she may never be here for. With the VBS, so the jam, I'm coming and lay.
Priscilla, yes.
And then the birthday, looking at 15 years.
And your birthday. Right, my boy, happy birthday, no more than my wife. If you're Priscilla, then. If you're Priscilla, then. Priscilla, my boy, birthday song, why?
to you.
All right. Priscilla, and you happy birthday and come out. I was waiting my friend 0554 820910 020944 Yeah, fat call back up. Now for your friend, man, see, I could done here. Come on, see, and number 2 Jap Papa. And number 2 Gerard GF, Hop Papa.
Let's go.
Well, who's it? Yeah, just possible. Yeah, your politics for. But you can't agree.
Says, I got victory in Jesus' name. I got the victory.
All right, Tim. I mean, what birthday song? If I'm Priscilla Enima, or say no, 16 years. Priscilla, right? Who you mean?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
All right, so happy birthday and come out, Priscilla Enima. And your birthday, right? I ain't trying home brushes here. Yakoba. The show continues here on 93.3 FM. Your brushes here. Stay tuned.
Eja mi nte adwuma
meje so ebro opening kwantabisa
eja we di anya mani son na anya na wotwe ne na mbeto se wonu wo made video kafukafo abomachi a mo petepete mkoko yisu yi ene na su biem
me nua wa bisa bio na mpenifo se akom ene enkyeremu yagu koko yisu agu nanso da bia ye beba na ate ene akate age koko yisu afa
eya ben wo nua na metensempa maka bia kyerɛw na ewiase akokoba a oben woni no one di abebesere nokure wo mni se enura hodo e wodwa so no nyina wo mo ne ate ne akate na fanyonko entizesi a omukɔ nakranda entize wugu pɛ enye omohwe na duro ba ko a etim ate ne akate pa ne din ne akate ken
de wo kan ye nokure sanse ente saa enka emma ne sei da
akate ken ye duro nwanwaso bi a Rainbow Agro Sciences na kofa ba na duro din ne honam se na Ghana Cocoa Board nso agiatum
akate ken wa mama koma Tomiyem.
Okuani bi a opese obonu koko ho ban no. Wonye ntempa no kope akateken yi bi nto. Akateken eye koko nurumu nyina hene. Rainbow Agro Sciences na dia badwa so. Ba bia yeto okuaye hu nuro bia obenya bia to ho. So open dudu matua fra homan 0240897074 ana 0243639920. Akateken obedi wo ho afri ate ni akatensem.
Ohima mianka mbojuma ewo mpem na asema yame wo mpem pa o
menua kawa kuma to wo yam amaje herbal clinic esa enyadowa nyina wono mo esa enyadowa bi te se bema wayemre ewo mpem bema wontomenwo wo ema afemu nso amaje esa enyadowa bi te se asekeka wo ba wontomen enwo nso amaje behwe na watenete ede amawo
se sei krampo na mefi dware bana so me ho keka me te se zongola chichi e na achimio
dabi amaje esa ehunemu ni yare bia sempo bubu eguko anase woni pedue nyina ayemre wodane weni ede kire amaje herbal clinic wonom ewo emfidie wo ho a wonom ede ebeso wahwe ehu yare a ehaw ansa na wonom amaw anwedru wobehu amaje herbal clinic kire kwan ewo odan aboabo ene gas filling station no ene di nhwenimu fra won ewo telephone number edidi soyi eso 0244877840 anase 0205045655 ko amaje herbal clinic nanya wa yaresa
EPM Media College, the best media training school in the Eastern region. Abiena Prono Atoho ama board of directors and the entire school management. Etunsa ede afre obibiara say ebreno asun say ye fa next batch of trainees. Ye radio and afe television courses nina. Ye wia ya mount 3 months attachment. Ewa station pia wope. Ube wieno na ukra professional diploma. Ube timidia ye juma. Ewa Ghana eni amanoni nina. Ya wonkoko Hotel Junction, EPM Media College, and She Media House Biasi. Enuntino Sauba, Ushia experienced presenters are free media houses are hoodwom ewa Omaiga Munina, and some Trejumana from Bia Opayano. The right place, any EPM Media College. O performs Nibia, Fraying ewa 0241 393534 0241 393534.
Salute! Hey! When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready pediatric somewhere who by no, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a peja immune system nabri bia, ya rientimu. Sasa dear, AMANFO do one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, don't what dance yes, and Yarwa who run Nipa and Yina etimi banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a home car. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now pa one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you may move Bia Yato in row. At to form friends 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no adrono, and Kratway FDA, Asayasi.
Middle, I'll send it if you are rampau.
Ha, a pint 20 and I'm a fire Shamsano.
And no see a soprana.
A J.A. Pining and Call Limited, and one with the sun your way in our bed just so. And you know, Quampuna home, me do so to one, and your money say, baby.
Near me bit to set down now.
Pison and I'm saying, what then your men yet to say wine. A ya paras when one I'm this year.
Middle, me fun feature up to be the nephew. Dear Badena, I will rap to be easy.
Eya Kashano, I'm a dear to a poor brain in us, and Nubia, Papa Patas, soon as so at to say wine.
Nancy, our one in Empire, who our Wobia will fear happy.
Meditawo, a J.A. Biney snake with parents, and I'm dear to my sister.
Hey, and no more near my papa.
Finally, we saw when I say, what did you, Madame, well, was saying, I and once one, I'm the one Chelsea when you're not that.
And you're with you, media dance at Chalamansan. I ain't fan no more.
Chairman, woman, your mano, Ubenya Biato, Kumasa, Takra, the Tamale, Ho, Sunyane, Koko, Wabuase, Bonga, Oda, Ghana Commercial Bangi, and the D animal share. So, Penidoso Pomatua, Ubenya be a worker, Swa, Winiba Road, the Wakasana factory, no SCA.
Mamma number, no from Comacoin, no so from
0242 771 650. And now 0247 576 643.
The novel now so Mudini body saying.
A J.A. Binding and Call Limited.
Me drew Hosesia. Crusade. King of Grace Chapel, Akim Asene present to you an Amazing Miracle Crusade 2021. At if you are some say, now will be someone say, I don't know what son no. Now, catch was say, New Yama Luke 1931. Anunti Osumia, and Dayanimia Yakwa 13th October to 17th October. King of Grace Chapel, and the new Ediasu. Say, ya deba abeje wana ayila. Sunday waka say, wait on Sunday no, Nani who ain't here Emawradi. Enti wonso wo ain't here Emawradi. Program never shas here. Okwada anumri, nunsia enefa, kosi nonkro enefa. Saranso na yawada, nunsia enefa, kosi nonkro enefa. Na efiada ne de, yebe kwa no pasom na otwe ekosi anopa duba ko empai bobre. Ena efiada na yumre nso, na otwe pepepe. Kosi anaju du mienu na yapon. Memle dane so, yebe ya picnic 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Na ni kwasi ada so, ye wie program ni na. Enu ti shane so. Sa ubetimi aba program no eba so. Ewo Anomase Rolling Station open. And a program no eba so. Na Akasa for Bebre, and a Beba program Nasi. Evangelist Kofi Amwako, Reverend Black OFORI, Eda Emmanuel Asante, Eda Emmanuel Achambo, Reverend Mrs. Mercy Techi, Eda MAAKYE Techi, Ena Anyum Tofo Akukuda, Reverend Osro, Adom Eva, Obaba Equia, Sister Ako, anyone Ekeka, na Osofo Pongwa, program we is in the Nanso. Aye, Reverend Frank Kwasi in Cancer, Osemen Cancer, say, Way Ayan Sanchranisha Muki, Hi, and never console a free, Sa Ua Sembisabia, friend number 0245 97 93 11. Commander so baby, now Ube who a grandia numonia. Adumre! More best science. That's why you know.
A Jamo building contractor for dear a yana many brimu. If you say a bus cement, iron rods, any blocks I did see a dynamo. Mother said Jamo Freya near the free factory, straight near the Abramo
factory. Then I want to Quasi distribution agency in Kaon.
Hey, who can one nipa base and Siana Mabo, Sa Quasi distribution agency for you?
Achieve done in bottom haddy will be a war see done, and now wire construction beer, Ecofan cement, and an iron rods, every Quasi distribution agency. And see, and your factory one I know more the Bramo. A factory, the contract. Quasi distribution agency and no supply cement, iron rods, blocks, size BR, and Adwuma binding wires, pavement blocks, and your dense who Yaman Kayana. And it is a woman I digu one track in the Brewery. Achimo Dani Eastern region and Kaya Hadie will be a cofan cement, iron rods, a free Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan.
Sir, Cyber Dini Mami Bio,
Quasi distribution agency, Achimo Dan.
Monsieur Fiti Necro, a Dembia Missiano, a Chim Dani Eastern Region Ham Potamwakani dear, a Quasi distribution agency, a Juana Meko. Matisse, one more opposite Timber Market, almost by MTN, and a telephone numbers in Sua, a 0202 722 695, and a 0266 422 351. Quasi distribution agency, Yaya Yesi Dino, Yanuwa Necro.
So, I serve it hot. I give you all the gist in the entertainment fraternity. I'm the music plug too. You're from Kwabena Costy. I branch part the perfect gentleman, host of Showbiz 933. Me bring a whole new package. So meet me, I'm a pandit.
What you say? And Colam for all genders, all age groups. That time almost 50 almost imagine session. So I.
Etiana ne wansem kan no an average pundit like some of us now we find it hard to discuss him, but it's what we supposed to do because we need to do and it's show business.
Because I said I need quality one and not too high near the so I do for Americans for no boys na cracker say I'm by on the music TV free digital channel so decoder so
this and every Saturday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Adwuma. 1, 2. Adwuma.
Yaga yo.
Adwuma.
Yaga yo. Batman, all for it. Yes,
Anyone that day, I saw
matatiaka. Me ma put on a mafanu. I am it up. Try. Like TV said.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Believe said, I need more. I don't mean
say me boy, baby na me perno. We need to yeah, all day yeah. Yeah, me amma, all day yeah.
Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Alright, so 15 minutes into 11, higher Hinkai 93.3 FM. Adwuma no was go out here. And I know my mother saying. So far over shop and no more mother saying. Taxi driver our car the mother saying. I know cause obi so or that ogusu dampemo. Enya kwadro. Enye bibia bata yare na etete no beba toti se wodi mo bia yare etete no ana wanga sa wutie mi wo fie woda dem na yare etete wa wodi echi ye helba clinic ye chi wato ndruwa no ma still enko on try amagentia now tie amaje helba clinic e wachim odan Amaje Heba Clinic Shabra. Na yare bia titio, yare akama to fakon. Osebra no ntu asem fama. Amaje Heba Clinic. Ya so ye ho ye ma odro enkase kofie konom na try hwe da chi be kwa da bi. Ya ma wo yare na no odro. The two ase de ama. Amaje Heba Clinic ye de ultramodern scan machine de aba. Ye be modern scanning. Body no near who yare no potting baby at there. And I yare and Casanga and I yare bang. Now he would dread by mouth. It is say infertility or bama. Ebekio, typhoid, ulcer, prostate enlargement, cancer, syphilis, hepatitis B and C, kidney problem, menstrual problem, gonorrhea. Nina able to see a pound the amount one time. Mama J back clinic. You watch mother. Red Cross Junction opposite gas filling station. Oh, honey, where's a fire in your brand name? Wow, being to us here for mount. Frame 0244877840. Now 0205045665. 0205045665. Yes, sounds your home service. And to your red sound, why I didn't to me my as well as a frame. I am my nurse for now for doctor for number was so. Amaje ba clinic ana. Was say why resefie. Me patcho so pass asia to wachima bo abu krom asasia problem anso bi ne ho. Asasia anya busuasem. Asasia ento ma nipa mienu ansan beto ma ho. Asasia insu ni kane nyina wo so. Da wachima bo abu krom ha. Litigation freeland. Me patcho fresh 0553 044069 0553 044069. Na pe asase papa pebito. Police near drone she drove back wa obia ji atum no bia bo hu samra ni se ye. Oba if you had my young kasa ya father. I can your father Dixon. Two coin. You won't do 2 coin my friend because I don't pay bia now with 20 cedis number. What be there over sorting me out. Na yare kwache ne she ho. Yes father. O ko yes wa we slade na musa. Father say ayo mabu boss slade na ne bia. As father tie. I was so pay drew a oba no ma. E be yi fat ne nya de fru mojem. Because the fat never come with Janoa. And yet, after a sounds of my immune system in the Yamere. I have fat in a macaron. And the father, my son can't imbue our measure. Kumasi the baby and the Kwabena Bobi, and he said, Father, what ever do than you? OBUOBA, why come upon me, Pacho? Police in here draw imbue our measure, number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against and correct all manners of disease. Mount San Kebi, Arabia tit why your problem. Immune system na yamre. And see a man who come Arabia Chuma. Now I try body no. Me Pacho Mount San police near drew imbue our mixture. I don't know me. To Yarea Sepam Yare few with the Contract store bia obenya bia the one number 0246 208 496 na 0540710113 0246 208 496 na 0540710113 Police in Yedru in boost helba mixture. Now, Color Studios and they get them broadly social media controls and so worry, so to bed in so we engagements. Maybe on occasion be away be here funny. Look no further. Osibra. Color Studios and digital embroidery. Brana unsorted out when it comes to videography and also photography. And after our embroidery works, and so your school crest, badges, church Lacoste embroidery, school Lacoste embroidery, 5-star embroidery, cap embroidery. Oh, my baby, wow. That was when we say, when your t-shirts, papa, yeah, digital embroidery. You're watching more than Liberty Transport, Upstate Canal Pharmacy. Oh, honey, oh. Friend was 0245276638. 0245276638. See that me say more than chroma girls ni na ho no bia go try in the picture. Because me who save the date bia me say lens with the Color Studio. Me who birthday pictures I say lens with the Color Studio. In fact they say Adwuma pa enkasa bebre. Odwuma fa. And I'm can say Adwuma pa ton who say baby sir. What you can say? My pattern, no. No. Right, happy birthday, Kasian. Come be around do birthday, ne? If today happens to be a birthday, happy birthday, and come on. And you share the same birthday with John Kwabena. Right, so John Kwabena is a Ghanaian politician and member of the first parliament of the Fourth Republic, representing the Sefiwiawoso constituency in the western region of Ghana. He represented the National Democratic Congress, that is the NDC. Right, so today happens to be his birthday, 71 today. Sabu me panu album. Send and maybe two jano. Me panu Ghana yesi muache. You see watch a pop up. See, join me on Facebook. I'll be showing some videos to you and then joining me on Facebook. You see, I can 93.3 FM. Maybe show videos with them out. A crow, you see watch a papa Ghana. You see Ghana watch a papa. Because we see, you be on your brain. But yeah, history, history, and what we've learned from school and what we are still learning tells us, Ghana, you see much, and you see mu. Now, so my baby, I don't know, me generation now, bedroom so Ghana baby. I don't know, I just don't know, and sometimes I don't understand why. Yeah, and call for and I'm too kind. my grandfather one kobi anko my chain koya come here brony. For real, sometimes it hurts. As a youth, it hurts to be a Ghanaian. Hey yo, sometimes yeah. So bad that sorry. Ubati when you say Sami gusu wa Ghana. Sometimes yeah pa so bad that sorry. Now but God bless our homeland Ghana. And you ask yourself, say, so this country called Ghana Nankasa no. When that bang D for that bang. What is this? What kind of country is this? See, go with the days and youth no ebin to me kasa. Go with the days and go for be fish when you speak your mind, you who has obia ombua there. But our generation, your time where we will speak our minds. Yes. We will speak our minds. Join me on Facebook. I'll be showing you pictures and videos. You see, you see, me gusu hiti ba. Shawo nyango ponsha na nyoma boy. And you want me make us me shiti ba. See, my car already say, me, I'm not a sports guy. No, I'm not a political guy. No. But I will speak my mind, or I will speak my mind as a youth, as a concerned youth for that matter, and also as a Ghanaian. Huh? Maybe Rem GFA. Most of our brony coach that so they are trying to tell us that whatever we said, our breed, Amante. I was listening to a couple of sports presenters on this issue. Yempe brony coach. Na yempe cry yempe Milovan. Yempe say Keto Kreku say no man take. So we have a brony coach now. And the amount of money we are going to pay the brony coach for 1 month, bosome bako. Atopa yin say, "Yanko jodro haya, kosha mo kwan." Ukwa kan Rebecca say, you are doing politics. I've told you earlier, I don't do politics. I don't even vote. I'm saying, I'm telling you the truth. Meaning, say, it is my right and my obligations as a citizen of this country to vote. But ever since our grandparents voted, what at all have we benefited? What exactly? Tell me. Dabadia. Huh? See, we are in Ghana. We are in Eastern regime. I mean, not down here. Me, over my family, and what to two, NDC and PP. Ask yourself, me and where do I belong to? Ever since the MPP people in my family voted for MPP, what at all have they gained? Ever since my family people, the NDC people voted for NDC, what at all have they gained? So I can't bear so number to me first be convincing me say me I should join them. I should join them. My first time that was 2012, and even a new crowd I didn't vote. So I'm okay, yeah, I think I voted, but I voted for PPP. You know why? Mami Cho. So me and my cousin, make I say I'm a bribe here. We were forced to go and vote by force, or else we will sleep in the house. And yes, I am deaf yo. And I thought earlier we have MPP and NDC in our family, so we were like, okay, it's a kotoma wayanga sakra. And I asked this question. And today, party on my mama. None of them could answer. So they were like, "Oh, that would get 20 was it 20 I'm saying this on radio. I mean, can't be other. I think Nipo Nimsa sister. So if they are listening, we chop their money that day. You did it free because you are voting. You got 10 baby. Call 5 near call your papa no me, yeah, mommy. So he was like, Oh, Remo. And you see, one funny thing is, because on him, a free man, so he knew where our vote were going to. But why that no? Because team PPP. Because I know that if I vote for NDC or for MPP, the same wahala na yeba bebrim. At the point, are you ready with the videos? Huh? Okay. In fact, Ghana, you see Ghana watch papa. Kwame Nkrumah ye umbebre ye hunu. But we've read books about Kwame Nkrumah. We've read history about Ghana. And your ma Kwame Nkrumah be we know. Because yes here, and we've seen some of them too. It is sad sometimes to call yourself a Ghanaian. Listen, what I'm saying, take a Hinkai FM out of this. I'm responsible for whatever I'm saying. Yes. And it's no apology. There's no amount of money that will make me say, yo, make I go vote for this political party. No. Why? Because not because I don't have interest in politics, but because I'm not seeing any quote and unquotes idea about pushing me to vote for a leader. See, make somebody go vote for me, whether it is good or bad, I'll still there inside. Because what changes? If I vote and the person comes and still do what he's doing, what changes? Now let me move on straight to what I'm about to talk. This GFA saga, my phone ready. You better calculate the amount of money you better Milovan. Whilst street lights are not working here in Akemodan, yesterday I was at Jubilee from a home where they call Mantra here. There's no street lights on the way. Yes, oh, highway, Odan highway. So we think crying every Odan. Umpo. That is a choir over there. Over Faso. No lights. Street light not there. And with the Scania saying 30,000 USD. 30,000 US dollars. Now convert 30,000 US dollars to Ghana cedis and fair me the amount. I think the peso has been so convert is here 30,000. 30,000 USD. Fabra. August 2008. And a Milovan, ebe Kochi, Ghana. And or they got 2010, right? From 2008 to 2010. That was 2-year contract. Unim said he quit Ghana after the World Cup on 8 September 2010. We didn't sack him. He quit the job and took up a position with Saudi Arabian team. Elali. A day later, Saturday, or quitting 8 September, and the following day, or Saudi Arabia. You can't chop one money. Now, sometimes your connection with Chile, or the 2 and a part the next day when you're Jumaye, and a part or Koi. In 2016, he was appointed a manager for Algeria on the national team and I resigned. See, I was appointed in 26 June 2016 and I resigning October 2016. On the one year crowd or show music and on February 2017, 5th February, and at Thailand for baby you dua emono omo de emono omudua omsika semunye and on befa Milovan inside the koi. You know what happened? Omudua emono omsika semunye nta wo omode pesika be so no ene ye de ma no In 2019, I'm Pamono, so I'm meeting in your had a whole lose 4-1 to India. I must sack one time pass on penny baby ground on Kotina. Now listen. So that means from 2019, Milovan was not coaching any team. I stand to be corrected. Now our Blasters. My problem is I don't know why young penny for no I'm the Blasters they have politics. I say, their interest. Our honor done at that team. Why is it because it's the national team? Sure. Yeah, like I will chroma cry. It's not attractive. GFE, Skasen and Modi Ashemu. Look at the amount of money they are going to pay Obroni coach, a Serbian coach. What calculate you are saying? 30,000 USD. My problem, me problem ni na. Ejna, nyoma your firm as Ghanaians, and our leaders don't listen to us. The youth no muntie yen. As I speak to you now, we have schools still under trees. Maybe I could see quite now here. School for nibi, school for nibi, any decks. Odi ayin kan na bon kunya de komo mo odi ayin kan onya MP onya samra man onya minister obon kunya de komo mo ya ban juma wasa ban here uko kan ya beka say o we politics. I'm not doing politics makacho me. I don't like politics cry in the first place. Now I'm from Ramfield. What happens to the creative art school? I'm promising. What happens to the creative art school? At the point when you coins go so I know say 1.8, but there's coins big go so. But some can't figure ni. Yes. Creative art school no more promising. And what happens to the creative art school? And I need ye. Yet that dying. Obrani, someone see. This is my problem. 1.8 odd billion Ghana cedis a month. I bet you will fix street light from Jubilee to Amantra. Kokan yabeka say fa post in CCO. Jubilee to Amantra, there's no street light. A chance wanchi police station wo honom. Yeah. I almost started crying here. Juma beka say facilities no, it's not complete. And what is stopping them from making it complete? It is money. Traffic light, our own traffic light. And then they matter say yes, and this is crack is saying. You chrome here. We are giving someone 1.8 billion. Now Sika Kono. Yeah, man is saying. No, and what makes Milovan better than Sika Kono? Did he win trophy for us? He didn't. He didn't win any trophy for us. Likewise, Akosi appear with a Sika Kono. Anameboa. Kosi appear. Oh, we need trophy, my. Sika Kono, we need trophy, my. Hey, you are telling us, Milovan, yeah, but we need trophy, dear Mayana. No, why are people so interested in the Black Stars? And why this huge money? Whilst we have a lot to do as a nation, that is my problem. See, we have a lot to do as a nation. See, sikawe nyineji, mu ya musi yan jiji sikanfa nkosi national cathedral. Yeah, my brony 1.8 odd billion Ghana cedis. Say make up na what me make 100 cedis. Nyafa nkosom nyafa nkosi dan yama nyame. There be na sasika na mo de ma brony ne amount no ya de si nyame dan na enye ye ana. Ask yourself that question. Sa 1.8 no ya de si dan ma nyame no be trem wo Ghana krom ha no ma enye ye. Ya de ma brony Serbia ni ono kron sanso krante brofo. Na brony on te brofo de ne brony ne sen. Brony on te brofo kra ne brony kra ne sen. How's it then?
Kwabena? And I've heard the way he is.
Meshiti.
Meshiti.
Yeah, Meshiti. Because some, you see, I had to say, clearly they are telling us say what they want is what they will do. Because they won't listen. See, before this brony coach everybody say, and we've heard presenters, sports presenters ranting every time say we don't need him, we don't need brony coach. What happened? They still brought him.
Now, Kwabena, who say Ghana Black Stars and one more for brony coach de Basana. Brofu coach na dia ya me ya wo mu ne say. One more players there, one more ball Ghana high local teams and one more massa players in Akwenya. Do one more Makwenya. What local player ebia mienu miensa.
Sakofa baga players.
Sakofa baga players diaba. Ena woman so no munya sika di free mu. Na sa coach Milo ya yenua kokoo woni kromu. Na so your friend Milo Vani. Wanu waba Blasters 2010 wabon ho moden de na so wantimi anje cap amagana. Akwasi apia wanje cap amagana. Siki akono wanje cap amagana. Enti se Ghana for empeni for betena ho. Modi abroni coach na mosemo pa enya hwe. Mode naba nanso sika wo mode to no so no broni coach no waso mboche bibi ni coach ana dabi broni wutwa ne ho ma enye moja na eba na ye green ana ye blue
tie scano 30,000 USD 1,800 and see 81 pesos esanso guso sikano 81 pesos esaguso
enti me dese washa sie sansa me ba na mashiti pa say pressure na e ba me so na asa de me na metimi aba ba ya sa de ne de amankofo wantifu akasa bisa shabo wantifu akasa wo mo kwan senti Ghana sika sei wa ha ana ya besia wo mo ntiase wo mo se ya besia na
mo de ya na mbe chanka
bisa because se sika wo Ghana ha obi abua asi police station de si wo kama baby a police for beda keke enaka
at the police me
say the same thing akan rem
see dey me ya no say ya wo kroma no bebre mu na mo ya politics say ya sika ni kroma na meboa ana ya mo read newspaper na ya mo nkansa say sika ni ya enti ya kobo be sene ade enti okay fine but yenya 1.8 billion 81 pesos asanso guso edema
Milovani.
2 years. I contract 2 years. Your man is Sassikawe 2 years. Okay. And the Sassikawe Yawo Chrome Adam na still na new street light where you chrome hey. Sikawe Yawo Chrome na still na your creative arts industry school no. Your creative arts school said then still na yentimi sinwe there was Sikawe Yawo Chrome na still na no maya basa wo chrome hey.
Ayabasa.
Sassikawe Yawo Chrome na national category ya say me be 200 cities near fancy.
And wakuma me free
me 100 cities for national category.
I send I say
akanyame nkomba Ghana da. Oh for real like I'm just being honest.
Ye traffic lights I say be ye fie pepe traffic lights no intimi nye besinne.
You see some of these issues and na make no tie utinye wa be say ah menim obi aside there but I'm speaking for myself. It feels sad to be a Ghanaian. And so about surround upon number and says, now you're still in Ghana. See, let me tell you a story. And now how much on there me sad me who see me, I'm not a sports person. But yesterday I spoke to a friend from Barbados. Unim Barbados for say already history you know they are Ghanaians. Yes. A North American country.
Okay.
But if you read history, 90% of Barbadians are Africans, and 80% originality. Almost free chroma. They are from Ghana. Yes, true slave trades. No?
Yeah.
But you know, go and do your research on a country called Barbados. For compare Ghana, they were slaves. They were slaves. I don't free chroma. I don't call it. So I was speaking to a friend from Barbados just yesterday. Make an yesterday in Pahomachin because now about 12 cry. Pahomachin near Dinkomo. Look at the Kwabena see. Me donya say me say me bagana be able pa. I just say matese. O free o sanso free chroma.
O free chroma here.
Yes. I say I just say what say. You see abronsan. I stores. Ankofo be nya adwuma ye. Fiti or the ahenkan for an example. Fiti be modwuma ahenkan from one no. E be pem mobo. Asamesa bogana.
Mane ha ne ho ne waka.
O se Kwabena. Aya na say ye hwe nyoma ekoso wo internet nso na ye busa hu say eh. Na ye nyan mo guso te ho ye den.
Ye te aye den be ni.
Omu guso te ho kra ye den say chale. Eh ya o. But mesra da ya bra wase me donya me background kama say.
Oh ya omra. O mehwe nkakra omra. Na ye de esim say esim ani.
Esim nya ne wo ma fe wase Kwabena me donya me ma me kra me friend video call me sim ntumi na esi Ghana.
Omra na say esim ani wo ye den kra ukroma. Omra na say dia empenifo binom eye no wudi ekira ahwe abeka nsem kire say Kwabena enye say enye broni coach a omakofa na ba ena ha yen yo.
But sikano ena ha yen.
Just
sikano ena ha yen.
Broni ni bibini no difference when the wo muntamanti a broni akofa broni ba ne atebri sika kese de ama no. Broni kura so date na fe no broni.
On sanso kra ntse
brofo. Atebro
we ye broni. Broni on sanso ntse brofo we ena maka enya broni ne ha me.
Na akosi abia no ntse brofo.
Unim. I'm making it very clear to us that there is no money in this country. Meanwhile, Obiawe college, active fear with degree, the person is still in the house unemployed. Onye Adwuma. You better even this ass carry a movie accurate Adwuma me movie nya bia yo. Uko kan beka say don't depend on the government. One can say create will be but say nya bibi me dan create me bibi. What are you telling me? Hey, there's no money in this country. There's no money in this country. Africa ya say ba me akra be kan say demons and principalities BTT Ghana economy so
demons.
Look at this. So who are the demons? Who are the demons? If Sezikane wo ho na ya di kakraka we di mo nipa ba ko for 2 years
no crown san fan be bobra wa ha.
So who are these demons is he talking about so mo Ghana economy so?
Na ono crown san fasika na be bobra wa ha say.
Na no.
O de be bobra.
O de ko bie hotel on the chrome, or de ko bie hospital on the chrome, or de ko koye mobile money business on the chrome for nya bia ye no be na de ha no free. On free chrome ha. No there be business wa ha. Me say this time around we the youth of Ghana, we will speak. Go on the days and now we ho. And the problem is you talk a crowd then they hear, then they listen. And then a problem not the pa. Ya come with it.
Papa.
I think it's a Friday, not a Saturday, no. Who rather for the Dibra. Okacha was a brighter, Wheezy. I think it's a Friday now. Right to say. A bedroom will be on. So 7th December, so then Papa. No Bianco Kiwi. Omo ko kill no e mpanifo na omo de omo ntehwe ye ka hwe omo ntino
enke yo
omo na ko kill but ye youth no it will get to a time sabe you can't take us for granted anymore because mutimi can say we hear your vote you come and promise us you will lie to us your vote ma mu wi a then we do what you want
one won the 2020 na course so twa who say Saturday we ye kwaye e wo ko fi adiri krom na wo hwe Ekwanya ye namso a whole Brim Central Municipal Assembly bridge back where daha bridge ye twa edeko odan school kwan so school for namso na me hu bi da see ya bridge ye de ko ta egusunsu du so a asa tete asa enete kokko na ye de eguso eta papa bridge na time brem bridge na matter time na se wo ko atimpoku bridge na efe enye sa bridge kuro na bi na so mo be hwe so ye ne koto abi wa hai so bridge wa do so a say next year we beti tindi afa bridge so do a wo hu quota ba ko baka say bridge ni anya quota ngu so bridge amena san so dem time esu mu hu sade wa nyina say we beti tiska no so ska no montete so we nya twobo I said de wo yere wo kwa ma ska so ko dua teso na fa ba kwa ni ye teso
say teso na Milovan so on pa you should go
anko
and we will find a new coach.
We say crampo no kan you kwase a tablis ka kese de ma no. Wo say we watena fiate. Etika wo ma no yi kra ba dia ba.
Watena
fiate.
Enda madam for na me kana sem no. O send me article bi a o si Milovan e kan me honestly na me buo funtima man follow link no gra. Na caption here o si he wasn't desperate for the Black Stars job. He wasn't desperate for the Black Stars job. Just say
say you force no.
And say papa, bra ji esika di.
Be di no ko.
No baka just say he wasn't desperate.
We say you watena fiat nto no kro pa adwuma na aye. Nti we say kra na ye. De onde be man bi obeje e na oba nso obeku no ho aye se na be ye a obesa de bia ka no.
Our own money on. Me sika ka wo.
So, e me si ko sa kwa no sa wo kwa atim wanti. We dey do so me na hwe kwa e da ho no swimming pool pa na da ekwan ni mo fa bypass ati a wonya bu si ba swimming pool fish pond pa na da kwan no ma sana de akopie o police
na so ye hu ye kotwa 1.8 billion Ghana cedis to a Serbian coach. Osa fan kon kuro mu nko bia hotel man nko fo nya adwuma ye. Meanwhile, our colleagues from the university are still in the house. I am here. See, sometimes me share some of my mates' status. I was as me feel say I am in blockade. You know why? I am in person being who me status like they will feel like I said. Yeah, we I mean yeah bibi yeah and what I say one who person can. It's not our fault. And who are we to blame? Because these people know sometimes we are our own problem. And as an bright account Friday no me na drink. It will get to a time, with the youth, we will never queue to vote.
Ghana nkwan yetimisi dan, yetimisi clinic, eshase Kwame dan. Edu baby ani e de blocks ankasa de esiso.
Obi beka say, who want vote, obi be vote. Fine, go and vote. Choose your leader and let them still deceive us for your Ghana not to be. And you say
I say I am mobile. Yes, Kwame dan. Yes, Kwame dan. Yes, do a lento. Near Peja blog.
Mr. Barbados. Madam for Barbados. Send a crony ya papa chin your grow, you know.
A crony
Caribbean country, oh.
Sir.
Caribbean country. And your country. Caribbean country.
A papa chan how?
It's what can wash ya. A crony papa chin your grow.
Sir.
Men can't that. Barbados, not from rather than coupon. Okay, can't say me. My catch was me. I'm not a political guy. I'm not a sports guy.
But I didn't know when yeah.
But me kasa as a Ghanaian. Me fi krom ha. Me a Ghanaian. Me the bright ya dream. Na me po na me fi 2012 crown na me to be a crown po na. Na say obi aso kasi and to be until say they will start doing the right thing. Mo ya fa ye okay sisi ade ya ba beto. Enti say yenya ya da ne bedru. Na Stefan say be 70% of the youth yenya adwan ba ko na kasi vote. Let the 30% vote. Enti say we na fa dem 50+1 na munya. Now you start to reason. Say nkola we they are teaching us sense o.
E ho na mo be hwe say school dan na mwasi na mwanwie na kan wrem no ba beto aso.
E kwan na ye ko kan mo be ka kire yen say MP nya kwan mi wa MP betimi alobi ama ye nya sika ba ye kwan.
E na MP na wanya kwan no kura na be hye gboso ba kwan na obeye no. E ho e na fide mo ye mo akiye. E ho na mo be hu say ye mfa Kwame en hye dan ase ne wi ayeko the blocks.
The blocks is so. I mean, can we say the only way is when all our wicked leaders die at a go, so we the youth can put our future into our hands. The coach of House of Folk now is far better than Milovan. Success. Hey, you Chroma. You Chroma.
No.
Success. And then sheet. We say from or being inside and you name Kotoku. Good morning. I am kind workers. Okay. Also good morning. We say Ewuku from Be Kind Enterprise. Or down. Our leaders simply don't have a progressive mindset. They see politics as a game rather than a tool for development. We have to speak our mind and lead the drive for change. More Fire Costy, best mid-morning show in the East. This one says, Odi Ahenkai chapter 93 verse 3. Right, Ahenkai FM, all things are possible. Amen. This is Fee of Fee Clothing at Achima Benasi, watching you live here. Kwabena, we will be paying him 43.2 billion O series with our own money. Yeah, Sika. Yeah, can't say we should shut up. We won't shut up. We won't shut up anywhere. We won't shut up. Now, when I go to say, national country, I go to say, Sisi as canon, what did you?
Me tell one say.
Well, what you out there?
Why?
At the point, what you are, Sika? You see, 100 cities, Munja. Munja 100 cities.
At one Unja.
Yeah, the city, I'm a Chroma Unja.
Belka de so betria.
Alka betria.
So betria pa na. I saw that
me put them me nim code numpo na me pese me humpo. No.
Tie belka and a fish.
Almost betria. Na yesi da amanya me.
Be se wo so betria.
E wo kroma. Kasi di agro kroma. Masa.
Adai.
Ya pamucho, pedifone ya pamucho. You tie kasa amuntie. Ya pamucho. Hwe. People are traumatized. I tell you. People are depressed. See, Mami can't crave show. Go on Telegram, eh? Youth, baby, now what Telegram now? It's not because they have nothing. I mean, they don't have anything to do. They have nothing doing. What's on where are you going? You bath, you be in your room. Because it's not your fault. Works are not available, so we are just here. We are all grounded. We are all depressed. We are not sure, baby. Then you be, please. I am with you. Who you more bo? Na ko pan am adom mo dru soro. Mo ma adwuma.
Mo se mo ko som ye.
Mo ma adwuma na ye nuanum bi enye bi nye. Ebi kura jai tight twa madam fu bi wase ko na me twa tight cha chelo.
Sika na bi ma ko fa we na dia ko twa tight.
Ko fa bi wa hin onya adwuma. Ko fa sika wa ko twa tight. Me on. Sa o service kana me bi ma wase